Jokanyo e sekta mar somo e kaunti ma Migori owachono onon kendo oket kare weche mag penj ma pachoka. Mari en tok malo jopuonjre 4,000 koso yudo duoko magi mag penj mar KCSE ma higa mokalo. Gimedo ni weche kuo mag penj ok kony gima jopuonjre to medo mana ketho sekta mar somo. Bende gidwaro ni migawo mar somo mondo okaw okang' mar gayo weche kuo mar penj kendo dino rode duto mantiere.
Cheating of exam is not helping the student at all. We don't accept and we condemn highly cheating in examination, and the government should be very vigilant when they supervise the examination, when they set the examination. There should be no loophole anywhere where students are getting leakages of the exam that are set before they sit for that exam.
I can be very sincere as a parent, as a responsible citizen, that things are going south. Therefore, I'm requesting the people in charge to do what they can to ensure that the integrity of exam is not questioned at any given time. We saw it during release of KCPE when so many pupils complained about the results. Again, during KCSE, the same thing is happening. Therefore, we don't want to cast doubt on the system, but we want to encourage them to do all that they can to restore the pride of our exam as a country.
Gloria Adhiambo Owino manotimo penj mar KCPE